Hello guys. This is the current 14th of January POTD of the Leetcode, and given question is 2657. Find the prefix common areas of two arrays. In this question, we have given a two arrays A and B of length n, and they both are the zero indexed, and we have to find out prefix common areas of the A and B. And this is the question. You can see that. Okay, so firstly I am reading the question, then go to the test cases, then go to the solution. Okay, so firstly we have given a prefix common array of we have to find the prefix common array of A and B such that we have follow the such condition, and that for any index of I of a common array is equals to the count of numbers that are present at or before the index of I in both A and B, and we have to return the common prefix array. And we have also given the definition of permutation, that a sequence of n integers is called a permutation if it contains all the integers from 1 to n exactly once. It means if we are saying that let's suppose any array of length 5 is permutation is permutative, then in this 1 to 5 all elements will exist uniquely times. Okay, exactly one time, so it is called a permutation. So we have given a test case 1 3 2 4 and 3 1 2 4. Let's suppose now we have to find a common prefix array such that in this condition is what condition is that we for any index of I, how many elements in A and B are common. Okay, so let's suppose we have this is, let's suppose initially it is 0 0. So let's understand this test case. Let's suppose initially it is 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0. Okay, and now actually 1 second. Yeah, now A and B doesn't matches, so initially 0. A and B, now up to this index 3 and 1 occurs both times, so these matches, so we take 2. Okay, then up to this index 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 1 times, and 1 occurs 2 times, so 3 elements are common. And up to this index always 4 elements are common, because it's always the size of the size of vector. Okay, so this is the basically approach of highly optimized approach, which we can see and which we can go through it. Okay, so you can understand this test case 1 3 2 4 3 1 2 4. What this test case trying to be understand, you can got it, that we have to check for an index up to that index how many elements are common. That count we have to put the count of number of elements of common up to index I. Okay, so you can also see that test case 2 3 1 3 1 2. So at I is equals to 0, no element is common, so C of 0 is equals to 0. At I is equals to 1, only 3 is common. You can see that 2 3 and 3 1, only 3 is common, so we take common count is only 1. Okay, and last index, at last index all the elements are common. Okay, so we take the count is 3. At last returning we are putting the 3 value in this at I is equals to 2th index. Okay, and we have given constants, we have very precise constants, so no matter to how, if we are solving in O of n cube, O of n square, so it is easily to summatable code, but we are trying to be make is the highest optimized approach. Okay, it is guaranteed that A and B both are a permutation of n integers, and A and B length, both the length of vectors is n. Okay, and the n is maximum up to 50. Now my approach to solving is that we know that up to 1th index, up to ith index, up to ith index, the number of count of every element we have to check. Okay, and we have to introduce in it our longest, sorry, my mean to say prefix common array. Okay, so we can do that. Let's suppose we have given 1 3 2 4 3 1 2 4. Now we are seeing that any element occurs any 2 times, because in at most one time in this, at most no, exactly one time in this and exactly one time in this. Okay, so 1 3 3 1 2 2 4 4. So we are checking, so firstly we check that if element that we let's suppose we storing it in be stored in a frequency array, or basically a map. We can take any of those, and let's suppose for also a common, and increase the number of counts of element comes in this. Okay, so let's suppose, so my approach is that I declared a array of 51th. Okay, so that so that yeah, so that we can store the count of every element of a and b. Okay, and result for returning the, and n is the size of which is common of both. So which what we are doing, if an element, we have to traverse the loop, and we checking if a and I is equals to b of I, means two elements are common exactly at the same times, and after which that not comes, because it is a permutative array we have given. Okay, so array of ai is equals to plus equals to 2, and because the count of frequencies, that element we increase by 2, and count is greater than 1, because we have this same common element find at that index. Okay, else we increase the element of eighth eighth vector, and element of bth vector, then check this. Okay, and after checking this, we store the result into count. Now we are returning it. Yeah, let's suppose now submit it. Yeah, it's run. Okay, you can see that, and it's all submitted. Yeah, okay. Something changed, but which I can do in it. Let's suppose if I remove this. Yeah, yeah, let's suppose. Yeah. Yeah, okay, and now I copied it from here and paste it to upper line. Now you can see that. Yeah, yeah, you can see that it also accepted, because we are checking seriously, and you can see that complexity is 100%, it beats 100% user. So we can see that it takes o of n, and just a 50 space of o of 51, which is constant, or we can use the hash map also. And hash map solution is, you can if you want to see the hash map solution, let's suppose this is the hash map solution. Yeah, yeah, 1 second, just 1 second. Yeah, let's suppose this is the, yeah. In this we also can, that we previously, that we done in the previously code. Okay, this remove this para, and then this is okay. Also we can remove this, let's suppose this and this. Yeah, now submit it. Now it will also passes. Okay, and it's submitted, and you can see that it's all submitted. It's up to you that how are you solving, and how you are approaching a problem. And okay, I have declared a hash map here, and we can try it using a array of 51 size, because it's take up to 50 elements. So I will take a array of 51. Okay, you know why I'm taking of array of 51. Okay, so at last I'm returning result, and you can see that. Okay, and we are finding the answer, we have found the result solutions. Okay, if you find this question exactly understandable to you, then you can like the video and comment. Okay, thanks.